Stop wasting time pressure washing the hard way. We tested the top pressure washer surface cleaners and the results shocked us. Want faster, streak-free cleaning on driveways, patios, and decks? These tools change the game. One crushed the rest. Find out which one it is. Links to the best models are in the description below. Don't miss it! Kicking off our list is the LidoDola 14 inches pressure washer surface cleaner, delivering powerful performance within a sleek, compact design. Made of tough stainless steel and rolling on 4 smooth caster wheels, it's designed for easy handling and long-term durability. Compatible with pressure washers 2500 psi and up, it tackles sidewalks, patios, and garage floors with ease. The dual high-pressure jets cut through grime fast, leaving a clean, streak-free surface in record time. At under $60, it outperforms expectations and rivals pricier models without sacrificing build quality or results. If you're after speed, efficiency, and solid value for your pressure washing setup, this cleaner hits the sweet spot. The Twinkle 15 inches pressure washer surface cleaner is a fan favorite for good reason. With a broader cleaning path and 3 wheels for added balance, it's built for control and coverage. Its stainless steel housing ensures durability, while extras like 2 extension wands and 2 spare nozzles add serious value. Rated for up to 4,000 psi, it's ready for heavy-duty jobs and works seamlessly with most gas-powered pressure washers. The dual-spinning nozzles power through stubborn dirt, making large areas like driveways and patios faster to clean, often in half the time compared to a regular wand. If you're after reliable muscle with smooth maneuverability, this cleaner delivers performance and convenience in one sharp package. The Biswing 14 inches pressure washer surface cleaner delivers pro-level cleaning power at a price that won't sting. Built from durable stainless steel and equipped with 4 caster wheels, it's easy to steer across wide surfaces like driveways, patios, and sidewalks. What sets it apart? It comes fully loaded with 2 extension wands and replacement nozzles, so you're ready to start right away. Designed to handle pressure from 2,500 to 4,000 psi, it pairs well with most residential and mid-range commercial pressure washers. Users often praise its solid build and smooth performance, especially for the cost. If you need serious cleaning efficiency with smart extras included, the Biswing is a dependable, high-value pick that doesn't cut corners. The Westinghouse Universal 13.7 inches surface cleaner is built for speed and scale. With a wider cleaning path and compatibility up to 4,000 psi, it's ideal for tackling large areas without sacrificing control. Whether you're using a gas or electric pressure washer, the 1/4 inch quick connect fitting makes setup fast and frustration-free. Its dual high-pressure nozzles deliver consistent, streak-free results across concrete, stone, or pavement. Users appreciate the smooth glide and tough construction, especially when cleaning big jobs like expansive driveways or patios. If you're after more coverage with every pass and want a tool that keeps up with demanding tasks, this Westinghouse attachment brings both muscle and precision to the table. Rounding out our list, the MEKOH 20 inches pressure washer surface cleaner claims the top spot as the most powerful option available. Designed for pressure washers up to 4,500 psi, it handles tough, heavy-duty cleaning with ease. Its wide 20 inches cleaning path covers large surfaces quickly, making it ideal for expansive areas like parking lots, patios, and stained concrete. Equipped with 4 smooth rolling wheels and dual spinning nozzles, it glides effortlessly while maximizing efficiency. Though it comes with a higher price tag, its robust construction and excellent performance offer great value for professionals or serious homeowners who need reliable, heavy-duty cleaning tools. This surface cleaner combines power and durability to tackle the toughest jobs efficiently. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the best pressure washer surface cleaners. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next reviews. Got questions or a favorite model we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. All product links are in the description, so check them out and grab the one that fits your needs best. See you next time.